Back in October of 2022, I went to the Timonium train show when we was up in Maryland. And while I was filming some of the model railroad club's layouts there, this gentleman came up to me and introduced himself and said he was a follower and he was interested in starting his own YouTube channel. So he invited me over to his house to see his layout, and I was impressed with what I saw. You may know him. He's El Pugliese. Since that time, he's put out many, many videos of visiting model railroads in the Maryland, Virginia, Pennsylvania area, and done a lot of videos sharing information about Howard Zane. He just passed 10,000 subscribers not too long ago. So I was looking around in my archives, and I forgot that I had these in here from when I visited visited his house in June of 2024, when we was up there after the meet and greet in Pennsylvania. So here's some footage of him running the trains, and at the end, some of his O-scale stuff and some other things that he was working on. So enjoy. And congratulations, Al.
After a year of agonizing over them, they finally run well. So we'll take the Capital Limited out. Now, some will say the Capital Limited was kept relatively clean, but on the Pugsburg Railroad, it's gotten a little bit dirty, and she's going to need a good cleaning, but I like a weathered train.
Yeah.
So... quick drop off and pick up here at the station. Get some speed up. Now we're cooking. The speed limit through the town of Pugsburg is 35, so we're going to have to slow her down.
Okay.
Until we get through. Now she makes a U-turn in Pugsburg, but that'll change when we get in the other room.
Yeah.
Let's wake up the townhouse residents.
There you go.
Hey folks, get out of bed! and it's on its way through the slums, but it will make a stop in Pugsburg at the future railroad station, and we will proceed in just a moment. Stop here and do a drop and a pickup. As she heads to East Cass. And when she gets to East Cass, she's going to stop at the Avon Inn to drop passengers off.
And this comes out on the other side.
But before we proceed, we're going to stop here and let some passengers off. Before she can proceed, we've got to get the Broadway Limited out of the way, because the Broadway Limited passenger train is somewhere in Winston. Let's go. She's brand new, out of the shops, still clean as a whistle. Good scene across this bridge. I haven't put the arches in yet. We're going to stop him at Cass. Yes, folks, I know the Broadway Limited didn't go through Cass. It does on my line. Okay, I know that. You don't have to comment. This is a fantasy world.
It's your railroad.
That's right.
You could do whatever you want with it.
That's right. Let's drop some folks off. And
Yeah, I saw the light through that tunnel.
Yeah, it's going to come out. I'm going to stop it at the future train station, which doesn't exist yet. And eventually there will be a train station in Winston that'll be on the other side of this water tank. I just haven't built it yet, but we're going to pretend it's there. Casper the Friendly Ghost. We're going to stop the train there temporarily to let some folks off. So eventually there'll be a station there, and then the trains can proceed and leave Winston. There we go. 050 to the rescue.
There you go. I cut that part out.
Oh, yeah. You can, yeah. The sound on this is terrible compared to the other one.
Yeah.
It really is. The speakers in this thing are terrible. I've spent so much money on this thing.
That's tricky.
Yeah.
Getting around here.
Oh, yeah.
I hope it's in the shot.
We're going to hold here. Give us some room for the Broadway Limited to get out of the way so we can proceed. So we're just going to hold here for a little while.
Back in June, Al was thinking about expanding Pugsburg, and he was showing me his plans in the other room. And I'll show you a couple of clips of that. And plus, I'll show you some photos of some of the O-scale buildings that he was building for his O-scale layout. And he's about to do that too. I'm not sure how far he has gotten with that, but he's been busy with a lot of other things. So here we go. So this is the ghetto of
The ghetto. Yes, Pugsburg Ghetto.
Okay.
Seedy ghetto.
Sister of Mercy.
You put this in the
Now what's
plastic,
going to be right here?
Fine scale miniatures, Skinner's Row.
Okay.
Going to be Skinner's Row, and that's my wife. I cut off her head and put her on the
no.
road. I'm going to put the gator foam road straight across.
Yeah.
And lift up these backdrops
Yeah.
that are against a mirror, and then I'm going to put an LED light under here to kind of light it up. So I'm just experimenting right now with the way it's going to look. I think once I put a piece of gator foam across and make the roads at the right height and move these up to the height of the road, I think it'll make a really big difference.
Oh.
And I'm going to have to put the hole somewhere in here, so I'm going to have to move buildings around.
Yeah, I told Debbie I was going to tear down the wall. She thought I was kidding. She said, okay.
Yeah,
And I
it's
tore
easy.
it down.
I said, okay.
It's
and
not
I
bad.
Yeah.
It was
I
over the
said,
up around the stairwell, and
I
everything.
believe he did it.
Yeah. Well,
It's okay.
it's the city has got to be. See, you can't turn around in there. You've got to have some staging track in here. We've got to have some staging track in here. And it's 29 inches tall, like the prototype, but I had him shrink it down to 2 feet. So this station is going to anchor somewhere in here.
Yeah.
This station will be in here. And that'll give me 4 tracks to be able to keep trains.
Yeah.
As to not tie up everything on the outside of the layout room. And I'll have this, I'm going to freelance. This would be an opening, a large opening.
Yeah.
So 4 tracks can get in the station.
Oh,
so I'm
okay.
changing it around.
Yeah, yeah.
But you get the taste.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
You know, the station would be, by the time it's done, about yay long.
Yeah. Oh, wow.